like. Firstly, thanks so much for inviting me over. I have a ton of information. As I mentioned to you guys when I was at your house, I was taking a lot of notes with this thing. So all the information I pass to my team, so we know exactly what is your needs, what's your pain points, and what will be the best solution for you. Based on all of the information, so what's gonna happen next? First thing, we're gonna send you a receipt of the payment. Next one, and then we're gonna send it to you something like this. Alright, depends on your size of your project. We're gonna send you a existing floor plan. If it's only bathroom, it's gonna be just the bathroom area, right? The existing and plus what is the idea of with the new option. And then with something with that, we're gonna send you right before that, we're gonna send you a form. It looks just like this. So what this is about? This is about to understand exactly what your test, what you're hoping space is gonna look like. We just need your name, your email, your phone number. We have all of those, but if you can just send that to me so the form doesn't get mixed out or loose. Just do the best you can here. Just fill up the best you can. We're gonna need some pictures if you can. Here you can upload pictures, and the whole thing is gonna be in one place. Make sure there's no miscommunication. Now when you fill up the form, it is gonna be easy for us to work and make sure we can really get you what's the most important thing for you and what is you hoping the space gonna look like and finish. Alright, it's quite large, it's quite a long form, but it is for the best intention to help you to make it easy. Now from there, once you agree with that, once we have that, we're gonna start working. In the meantime, we're gonna be working on this, something like in the floor plan. We're gonna send you we're gonna take whole thing something about 3 days to send you this. The form is gonna be in 2 days, the form about 3 days, the form in 2 days, this in about 3 days. Take a look, pick one. Now about 7 days later, we're gonna be setting meeting for another meeting so we can go over your budget. Your budget is gonna be something kind of like this, but a more high level. Just based on your floor plan, what we're expecting the tiles gonna look like, based on your pictures, just more high level budget, just to know where we land, an idea. It could be somewhere, 50,000 to 60,000, somewhere in those numbers. At least we have an idea what we expect. If you say, Freddy, I like it, I love it, yep, let's move forward. From there, we're gonna go into design and selections. Basically, we're gonna go into selections. When the selections come back, it's gonna look more into like, now we have all the selections. We have the cabin layout, we have the fixtures, we have the tile, we have basically everything that's gonna go in your home. With this document right here, we're gonna create a preliminary document, so my designer can take all this information and turn it into something like this. Because we have the cabin selection, we have the colors, we have the products. At this point, we will let that's gonna take about 2 weeks. Since you guys give the final selections. Now the selection will take depends. If it's just a bathroom, we're gonna give a week. If it's a full home, it's gonna be more about 3 weeks for you to visit our showrooms, do your own not do your own. We're gonna guide you through the process, and we're gonna set up appointments. You can come over and just pick those products and see yourself what actually the product looks like. Alright, now when that happens, you do all these selections, then we're gonna start working into the final document and the render. Now right here we can tweak it. We can say this is Smith, this is the options. We can tweak the light, and we can tweak the price also here. You wanna just pick something more expensive light or something less expensive, so we can just do all those right here. Now once you finish with all, once you really dial down whole thing, we're gonna work with the numbers at the same time. It's ready, this is what I want, I love this, let's make it happen. Then we're gonna present to you again now the final document with all the selections and the final numbers. You say, Freddy, let's move forward, I'm ready to move forward. Here we're gonna sign the agreement, put you in the schedule, and we're gonna really start working on the paperwork, start the project. Alright, thank you so much again for the opportunity to serve you and to make it easy for you guys. So any questions, I'm here to support. Please do not hesitate to let me know. My team is to make your life easier. Alright, appreciate it a lot, and hasta la pasta.